Good afternoon. Thank you for your interest in White Mountain CAD's Linework Pro application. This is a small utility that will allow you to import point files, plot the points, and generate line work between the points. There's similar features in existing products like Civil 3D and prior like Land Desktop. And the way that it works is a point file is required, and in that point file we have a line of information for every point. There has to be at least one parameter for the description, and then in that description there are certain code letters to start and end the line work commands. So in this case we have B for begin. Further down we may have some E for end to stop the line work. We also support curves, so we'll have begin curve commands as well. So let's take a look. We'll run the command. And the form works top to bottom. First we'll select our ASCII file. We'll tell it what format it is in. Common formats are point number, northern easting elevation, description. So we'll choose that. It will look inside the file and then determine the delimiter, whether it's comma delimited, space, tab, or you can specify another character. And we get a preview of the text file below. Browsing through the descriptions, we can see we're using codes like B for begin. So I'm going to make sure that I specify B for begin, E for end. For drawing curves, we have a couple of options: begin curve, end curve, or the C3 code. For plotting points, if Civil 3D is detected, you'll have the option to plot Civil 3D points, or you can use the White Mountain CAD point block. So let's choose that and begin. You'll see here the points are imported. These are the White Mountain CAD point blocks with attributes for number, elevation, description. And connecting our points are the line work based on matching descriptions. So we have tops of curb, edges of pavement, which were uniquely identified with a number, EP1, 2, 3. So the B for begin starts our line command, and we'll connect all of the EP3 points until we reach an end command. In this case, the EP3 had a curve at the end. We did a begin curve, which will then look for two more points, EP3, EP3 end. And then that stops our line work. Same thing at the intersection. We have begin curve, a point on the curve, and then the end of the curve, which you may or may not have to specify. We don't have to put the end curve. It's always assumed 3 points to delineate the curve, and then we're back to straight line work. Line work comes in as 2D polylines, so it's useful for plotting, supports the curves, and gives you a nice idea of what's going on out there. Thank you for watching.